What's up, everybody? It is January 17th. We are headed north. Deer season's over. Didn't do very well there, but we're going to head north, Lake of the Woods. Got a couple buddies. We're headed up. Going to head to Wheeler's Point out of Baudette. We're going to travel there. It's about 8.5 hours. Got snow in the forecast, so we're going to get in the truck and roll out of here. See you there. Well, we made it. Dodged a couple snowstorms and we're here, Wheeler's Point, Baudette, Minnesota. Let's go get checked in. All right, so we got checked in at Wheeler's Point. We're headed out 12 miles from Wheeler's Point here. We just got out on the road, and so it's the first time that we've gone this far offshore, so it might be an adventure, but luckily there's lots of traffic for us to follow tonight, and we should be able to find it pretty good. Only a couple turns, so we'll see you when we get there. All right, boys and girls, we're in. We're gonna get some lines down. Let me see it. Wow.
Yeah. He bit a big bait.
A few small ones.
Might be some sorting going on.
Like I said, don't feel very big.
There's more down there. Quite a few more.
All good?
No.
Oh boy. Oh, got a mess now.
Yep.
Well, it's about 11 o'clock on day one. We got one 14-inch sauger in the bucket. We've been just here and there been getting some 6-inch walleye and sauger here and there, so it's been kind of a tough morning. We're gonna continue to keep our lines down and see what happens.
Do my best to get him for you. Yeah, hold on. Oh, you knocked all this.
Nope. Uh-oh. Hang on. It's a fish. Let me see him. I saw that too. He was up there. Like,
Two of them.
oh, that's, yep. I was about to say, oh.
Fell off.
No, he didn't. He's right there. Sideways.
Good one, Nick.
Let's see what she measures. 25-ish. Oh, 25. Let her go. Oh, got a little rough on her. See ya. Thanks. Come on, 30.
Oh my God. might be 30. Nope, not 30.
Oh, buddy.
That's how you do it, boy. Nice job, buddy.
Woohoo!
Nope,
Something
but he's a
to eat.
perfect eater.
Something to eat. Dude, it was the same thing. 10 foot down. I saw the mark, zinged it up to him. He came right up to it and smoked it. Well, we had a pretty good day today. Caught a couple big ones. Got a little bit of it on footage, so we'll be able to share that with you. We caught quite a few. Just had to do a lot of sorting to keep anything. I think we only kept 4 or 5. So it was fun to catch those bigger ones. Got a 25 and a 27 today. So we kind of got maybe a few things figured out. A little bit later bite. Got a couple jigs that they liked. So we're gonna continue to fish here in the sleeper through the night. We'll bring anything we can. You know, the lighting doesn't get as good at night, so we're about to lose sunlight.
Look at that, he follows it right up.
God, he should just hammer it right now.
Not going that far up, he says. Yeah.
21.
Yeah, just too big.
He ate it too. Nice fish, Nick.
All right, so we had a pretty slow morning. We didn't even have a fish topside till 9 o'clock or so. We were able to get a few this afternoon. We got 3 in the bucket. Did manage 22 in the middle of the day here, up high off the bottom, probably in 16 foot of water or so. So we're hoping the night bite can close out a pretty decent day here today. We're gonna go into the lodge, get some supper after that, and we'll be back for tomorrow morning, and then we're done. So, well, everybody, it's 6 o'clock now, dark out. We didn't have a bite after lunch, so it's pretty slow day. Sounds like that's the way everybody's been. We did just about as good as everybody. We actually got a 22 and 3 in the bucket that are 15 to 19, so we did all right. We only have about an hour of good fishing tomorrow before we got to check out and head home. So we'll see if we can't get a couple more to take home or go eat these ones and drown our sorrows. So catch you tomorrow. Morning, guys. It's about 6:45, day 3. We got up about 6:45. It was a clear night. Got really cold, down to -8, and so we got the lines down in the shack this morning. We did get one already up topside, so we're hoping that in the few hours that we have this morning that we can get a couple more on the ice to take home. So we'll see. Well, that's a wrap. We got 3 out this morning. We're headed home. Ended up with 25-30 fish total. We kept about 12, I think. 27, 25, and a 22 top scores. So it was a good trip. It was the first time in a sleeper for a lot of us, so it was an experience. We'll do it again. Might try some other areas, maybe even some different lakes, and see if it's any better. Might come a little earlier. Talking to them, it sounds like the week before Christmas is a good one, so we might look into that next year. But it was fun. Catch you later.